Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia vehicle. If you guys have a Kia vehicle, practically it could be any Kia vehicle, and you want to know the top 5 reasons why your horn doesn't work, stay with us and we're going to explain that as we go guys. Top 5 things why horn doesn't work. Now, even though we're demonstrating here on a Kia Optima, the video could be helpful on multiple Kia models, and some of those could be Kia Forte, Optima, Sportage, Sorento, Kia Soul, Kia Rio and other Kia models as well. So let's start on it and show you why your horn does not work on Kia vehicle today. So as I said, this should work on multiple models Kia. Now let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you guys, free videos. Now if you need to buy any parts tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. And another thing guys, check out our main YouTube channel. It's called Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars on future repairs, so check it out, subscribe. We're constantly pumping new content. So what can cause your Kia horn not to work guys? Okay, those are the horns. Usually you have two horns. One is high tone, and it even says on the horn high, and the other one is a low tone. They sound completely different. You can see this is the high one. So that's super annoying. Now you might be confused. You may have another horn on your Kia vehicle, but that's actually for the alarm system. So what can cause these horns not to work? Sometimes the horns do go bad guys. They're exposed to the elements. Usually they're on the front of the car, usually on the radiator support, behind the bumper, but they get sprayed by salt or water, so eventually once in a while they quit working guys. Then you will need to replace them. But okay, number one, it could be a bad horn. If you remove them, you can easily test them, and we have a special video that explains how to do that, because if you do a simple mistake, you can burn them. Number two guys, you need to check, the wiring harness to make sure it's plugged in, not broken, anything like that. But what else can cause that, your horn not to work? We're going to open the fuse box right here on that Kia vehicle guys, and things that you need to check. You will usually have, a fuse, for the horn, a fuse for the horn, which is our 15 amp fuse, and you have a horn relay as well. So when you have a horn fuse and horn relay, that's what you need to check. You can also, what you can do, replace the fuse. You can reverse the relay with one that's the same kind. For instance, the next one is fuel pump, and see if it's going to work. Then you can return them back. So far guys, bad horn, bad fuse, bad relay. What else guys? On the steering wheel, where you press the horn switch, that could be bad. That's number 4. And number 5, behind the steering wheel on the column, you have a device that's called clock spring, like a clock showing the time. This clock springs actually transfers the signal from the steering wheel to the steering column, and you let the wires turn. So that device, if it goes bad, your horn will not work as well. So those are the most common ones guys. But I'll show you what we're going to do. We'll get a person to get inside the vehicle guys, we'll get a person get inside, and press the horn, and if you guys, if you hear, we have the horns disconnected, but if you hear guys the relay clicking, listen now, that means that the clock spring and the switch is good, and the problem is either fuse, relay that's malfunctioning, or horn. After that will be the last thing to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.